As standards of living across the Eurozone continue to fall, a number of age-old problems are on the rise. In France, the faltering economy has led to a startling surge in armed robbery, with gold and high-value jewellery the main target. RT's Alexei Yaroshevsky has more.
Until a month ago, this was one of many jewelry shops on a quiet street in central Paris. After a gruesome attack by armed robbers, it never reopened for business.
Having kicked robbers out of his store, a 52-year-old metal worker tried to chase them down into the street, into the parking lot where their motorbikes stood. The criminals turned around and fired a shot at him. He died right in the middle of the street in broad daylight.
The murder shocked France, with the country's interior ministry fearing it would not be the last incident of its kind.
We must not regard these attacks as banal. These individuals are well trained and they can and will use force and weapons against the employees of jewelry stores.
Since France plunged into financial crisis, armed robberies have become ever more frequent. Criminals not only attack stores, but they also strip people of their jewelry in the street. In some instances, they've gone as far as digging graves up to steal golden teeth from corpses to sell at jewelry stores. Private jewelers say they are scared to do their job now.
We had an attack on our store last year, and recently a woman working in a neighbouring grocery store was taken hostage. The robbers thought she worked for us. We've had to install a special armoured door and cameras, but we still feel like we're in a war zone.
Diamond rings and gems are a hit with the robbers, but it's gold which is the biggest draw. It's easy to explain, say experts. In the midst of the Eurozone crisis, the price is going up all the time.
This year will be the 12 years of a continuous rise of the price of gold. Gold is tiny, it's small, so it is when you for robbery. It's not so difficult because it's something you could put in your pocket. It's easier for people to attack the jewelry shops. This is one of the negative consequence of the fact that gold, as other commodities, real estate, a lot of other products, have increased price.
Despite so much gold, legal and stolen, openly on sale, experts say this is seriously damaging the market. Private buyers are springing up and buying the precious metal at an unregulated price. The police created a special unit to deal with gold theft, but the problem may only fade away when the financial turmoil does. Alexei Yaroshevsky, RT, reporting from Paris.